Well, hi everyone. We are right here on Main Street in the beautiful and historic town of Strasburg, Pennsylvania in Lancaster County. And today we're going to walk up and down Main Street and I can show you all the fun things that there are to do in this amazing town. The first place on our walk we come to is this awesome barbershop. It's Keller's Barbershop for the whole family. They're closed on Sunday and Monday and they're open the rest of the week. Check online though for their most current up-to-date hours. You can make an appointment, but the sign on their door says walk-ins are welcome as well. So this is Main Street in Strasburg, but it's also Route 741, and we are walking east. So I thought we would, hit all the shops, restaurants, and things on this side of the street, and then we'll switch over and walk back on Main Street headed west. This town of Strasburg is the most historic town in Lancaster County. And I see the next shop coming up here on our right, which is Main Street Antiques. And this adorable antique shop is open every day except Monday. Again, check online for their most current and up-to-date hours. So we just crossed the street and we're continuing walking east on Main Street / Route 741. And Pizza City Italian restaurant is right up here on our right. This is a family-friendly restaurant and you can take in or order out. And they're opened every day except Tuesdays. It smells so good walking by this restaurant. If you're not hungry, you'll be hungry after you pass here. Okay, let's keep walking down and seeing what stores we come across next. And the next business is right here, No King's Tattooing. So if you're looking for a new tattoo, you can check this place out. They have parking in the rear and they're open 7 days a week. And right next door, we come to Spring House Brewing Company Tavern. And they are open every day except for Monday, and you can park on the street. But speaking of street, they are, as you can tell, doing some road work here. So part of Main Street is closed right now. This video is filmed in March, so hopefully the construction will be finished soon. You can easily park along the other side of Main Street and just walk to these businesses. And speaking of business, the next one in line is Hodgepodge Cross Stitch and Antiques. This store has antiques and also they have a lot of cross-stitch materials and sewing materials. They are closed Sunday and Mondays and open every other day. So right down here, this part of the sidewalk is closed. So we're going to switch sides. And here we are on the other side, and you can see they're doing some pipe work or something like that over there. So you will have to cross the street if you're here while they're doing this construction, but it was so easy just to cross the street. And it's kind of cool because there's actually no traffic along 741 here. So it's normally pretty busy. So this is pretty cool to actually have a chance to walk down Main Street with no traffic along this stretch. Next in line here is the historic Limestone Inn. And it's a bed and breakfast, and it was built in 1786. This is an awesome central location right in the heart of Strasburg, Pennsylvania. Check online for all the details, prices, amenities, and things like that. And here's the historical markers. And you'll see these historical markers on so many homes and businesses along this stretch in Strasburg, Lancaster County. And speaking of historic, right across the street is the St. Michael's Lutheran Historic Church. There's historic homes every which way you look. It's really fun, as you're walking down the street just to check out the dates of when they were built. There's just so many neat ones and the neat architecture of the time. And speaking of time, it's time for us to cross back over to the other side of the street. And here we are. Here's another historical home right here. And it's so neat to actually be able to cross the road with no traffic with the construction going on. So it is kind of cool. All right, our next business is right here to the right. And this is the Carriage House at Strasburg Hotel. There are lots of rooms and suites, and again, just look online to see the cost and amenities. And here's a look at all of the suites and rooms right here. And it's also in a great central location of Strasburg. You can literally pretty much walk to almost everything in Strasburg right along this street. It's so much fun here. And you're also right across from the Speckled Hen restaurant, which is where we're going to be heading to in just a second on the other side of the street. Right up from the carriage house is the Strasburg Antique Market, right there on the corner. It's a great antique market. They're open every day except Tuesday. And if you got in your car and drove past that antique market, you're going to come across the Choo Choo Barn and the Strasburg Railroad and also the Pennsylvania Railroad Museum. So now we're going to walk back. And I wanted to point out that if you're walking through the town of Strasburg, the sidewalks are uneven in spots. So be mindful of where you're walking because the sidewalks do transition from one pattern to another. And some of the sidewalks are better maintained than others. So definitely kind of watch your footing. And this is the next spot here, which is the Speckled Hen restaurant. This is a very popular coffee house and also restaurant. They serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and they also have outdoor seating. They're known for their homemade foods, and they are open every day. The Speckled Hen. Right past the Speckled Hen restaurant, you're going to see this building, and this is the office of our state senator, Scott Martin. So here is his office, and he is a longtime resident of Lancaster County. That's pretty neat. When you're walking through the town of Strasburg, it's always fun to see what people put on their front porches. And look at these cute birds. And people will change their decorations out for the season. So definitely while you're strolling through town, don't forget to check out the cool decorations. So we're back to the center of town almost, and the next shop in line is a really neat one. They always have these really cool figures and in the windows. Here's some Star Wars figures, but you never know what you're going to find in some of these antique shop windows. This store is called Don's Collectibles. This store is closed Sunday and Monday, open the rest of the week, and they have a lot of really cool, vintage and nostalgic items. Like this right at their front door. Look at this neat car. Chips Ahoy cookies. Yum, that sounds pretty good right now. There's actually a yummy store that we're going to come across in just a minute. But first, let's check out these couple of shops right here. And look at this beautiful building and the flag against the blue sky. What a beautiful day today. And here's a beautiful memorial as well. Flags blowing in the wind today. And here's something new coming soon. Created Timeless Treasures. So that's something we'll have to keep our eyes open when this opens. If you're visiting Strasburg and that shop is open, let us know how it is. I can't wait to go back and take a look. The next shop in line is New Creations, and this is a salon. And they are closed Sunday and Mondays and open the rest of the week. And right next door is the Finishing Touch Picture Framing. And then right next door, right here on the right, is the Witness Coffee Shop. And this is located right at 741 and Route 896, right on the corner here. And they're open every day except Sunday. Okay, we're going to cross the street, and directly in front of us is the Strasburg Creamery and General Store. They are open now every day except Sundays, and this is a great spot to get some homemade ice cream. They also have an awesome general store, and we'll link our full video tour in this video's description as well. They have inside dining, and they also have some outside seating right here, and out back they also have some outdoor seating as well. It's a super spot to stop and get cooled off in the summertime and just enjoy some scenery of the town of Strasburg. Right next door to the Strasburg Creamery is the Strasburg Village Inn, and that is right here where this front porch is. What a great spot to stay, right in the middle of Strasburg. So just look online to check out availability, prices, and amenities. There's also parking right here to the right for the Strasburg Inn and also for the Creamery as well. Right past the Creamery and the Inn, you can see this giant chicken on this porch. Super cool. Right past the giant chicken, we come to our next store, which is called Bicycle Pie. The store has toys, gifts, children's clothing, and more. And right now they're open every day except Monday. Our last shop, we're going to follow that truck with the bikes because we are headed to the Bare Bones Bicycle Shop, and it's right there in front of us with the flag flying. It's a very well-known bike shop here in Strasburg. They do tune-ups, repairs. They also have sales. So if you're in need of some bike stuff, definitely stop by Bare Bones Bicycle in Strasburg, Lancaster County. Right now, they're open every day except Sundays and Mondays. And it's springtime, and it is time to ride. Hooray! In the back of the bike shop, they have a ramp, so you can just wheel your bike up the ramp. They also have parking back here for bike shop customers as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tour of the town of Strasburg. There are lots and lots of things to do that you can just park your car and walk up and down Main Street. It is so much fun. There's so much history, so many shops, restaurants, and hotels. So I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. So whatever you're doing today, have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.